So you got your water flosser. Now, how do you clean it? Hi everybody, welcome to the Tooth Files. My name is Saba. I'm a registered dental hygienist, and today we are going to talk about how to care for your water flosser. Without cleaning your water flossers regularly, mineral deposits and bacteria can build up in your device, making it to lose pressure and effectiveness, and eventually damage your device over time. So first, let's go over what you need to do on a daily basis.
So after each use, the first thing to do is to pour out the water. You don't want water to be sitting still in the reservoir overnight. Next is to dry the lines. Bacteria can grow in dark and wet places, and we don't want that bacteria in our mouth. So run your water flosser without any water in the reservoir for a few seconds to dry the lines. I also like to remove the tip and put it in a separate container to dry, but you don't have to do that. And last thing is to let your water flosser air dry. I suggest keeping your device in a clean, dry place away from bathroom sink and places where water can splash on your device. So before even starting, I unplug my water flosser. Then I start by wiping the outside of my unit with a soft cloth and a gentle cleanser. You can also use a wet paper towel if you like. Just make sure you're not using any harsh cleansers. I actually do this step a couple of times a month, but once a month I make sure to wipe the cords and the handles and get into all the nooks and the crannies, making sure the outside of my device is clean. Next, I clean the water reservoir with warm soapy water. A lot of water flosser basins are safe to put in dishwasher, but personally, I prefer cleaning mine with hand. If you do end up putting your unit's water reservoir in dishwasher, make sure that you turn off the heated dry cycle or air dry the basin. Next step is to clean the handle. For my unit, I use 2 parts water, 1 part white vinegar or hydrogen peroxide, and soak my unit's handle in the mixture for 5 to 7 minutes. I do the same thing to clean my flosser tip, using 2 parts water and 1 part vinegar or hydrogen peroxide. Again, I let the flosser tip soak about 5 minutes. After 5 to 7 minutes, it's time to rinse the handle and flosser tip under warm water, and I wipe both parts with clean paper towel after rinsing. This is how I clean my water flosser every month, but your device may be different than mine, so please check the instructions for your specific unit first. Now it's time to clean the internal parts. For that, I pour about 2 tablespoons of white vinegar in the water reservoir, fill the rest with warm water, and run it through the unit until it's done. This will clean the lines and helps get rid of the bacteria that may grow in there. Next, I run my water flosser with just water to get rid of that vinegar taste and smell. And last thing to do is to empty the basin, and like my everyday routine, I run the lines to dry them out as much as I can, and I put my unit in its own place away from bathroom sink.
Thank you for watching. I hope this video helped you. If it did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. If you're not subscribed and you want to be, hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!